Hey, what's going on YouTube? Everybody has smells that happen around their house all the time, but you may not want to ignore them. These are smells that could be signs of danger. If there's something in your house that smells a little fishy, or maybe it smells like there's urine or rubber burning somewhere, this could be a sign that something is overheating on the wiring. It could be a potential risk for a fire. Do not ignore that smell, especially around appliances. If you haven't been using ammonia-based cleaning products, it could be a sign that something has died somewhere inside your house. It could be a mouse, or it could be some other kind of rodent in the crawl space, but you definitely don't want to ignore that because that is something that could cause many problems down the road. If you're walking in any area of your house and it smells like a damp and musty cave, guess what? That's a good signal that there's some kind of moisture problem somewhere that needs to be taken care of. Not only that, if you're getting that real musty smell, that wonderful aroma of mildew, guess what? Good sign there's some mold that needs to be taken care of as well. Definitely don't let that one go. If you're not currently using your fireplace, but you're getting a lot of smoky smells, there's a couple things you may want to check on. First, make sure the damper is closed. That way, there's no air that's coming back down through your chimney that's blowing any kind of smell into your house. But second, make sure you clean out the entire firebox. It could be something where it's just dirty enough that the creosote and all the other buildup is giving off that smoky smell. But after drying out, if you're still smelling some kind of smell, it could be an indication that there is water that is getting in through your chimney and needs to be evaluated. Fresh paint, new pressed board furniture, and even carpet can give off a chemical aroma when it's newly put inside your house. Not only is it unpleasant, it could also be a volatile organic compound, which is also unhealthy to breathe. What you should do is, if you have new furniture, let it air out in the garage before you bring it in the house, or if you have new paint or new carpet, open up all the windows for a while, let the air circulate, and clear all that out. Any type of rotten egg smell is probably not the best thing to ignore because there are two potentially dangerous things that could be an indicator of. The first one, there could be some sewage gas that's backing up into your house. Make sure you flush all the toilets, run water through all your drains because the drain traps could have dried out, which will allow sewer gas to back up into the house. Definitely not something you want to be breathing. If it still persists, you may also want to get somebody out to take a look at your gas appliances because a rotten egg smell could be an indication that there's a gas leak as well. Hey, thanks for checking out the Urine Advantage. As always, check the description box below for a link to the article where I found this information, and let me know in the comments any other smells that you think you shouldn't ignore in your home. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with everything I post. Almost forgot that! Hey, thanks for checking out the Urine Advantage. As always, there is a link in the description of this video to the article where I found this information. Let me know in the comments down below any other smells that shouldn't be ignored in your house. Be sure to like this video and share it with all your friends so they know not to ignore these smells in their homes.